Okay, hello guys. Um, I want to give you tips how to change or how to transform a sentences, like for example, these sentences or words from words, and you want to transform it to Excel, and each word in one cell. I just found out, and I think I want to share the tips. Okay. First, you copy all the sentences from Word and then move it to Excel. In this Excel, all of the sentences fit in one cell, and we want to separate them. So first, you can click the cell and then click data and then click text to column and click delimited next, and then because it's separated by comma, and you click comma, click next, finish. Here you go. And next, this, you click one cell, click data again, but it's separate different than before, so you click like others and type symbol and then next, finish. And again this, you click the space because it separate by space. Next and finish. There you go. Goodbye.